Real bad boy. Foxy! Come on, bro. She does this.
እባካችሁ ከዚህ ጋር ዞር በሉ እባካችሁ ዞር በሉ እኔ አልቻልኩም ስራ ይዘናል እዚህ ጋር ስራ ይዘናል ደከመኝ ያማሳል መሰለኝ እኔ አላውቅም ምን እየተፈጠረ እንደሆነ ምን እያደረገች ነው ግን ምን እያደረጉ እንደሆነ አላውቅም ከዚህ ጋር ዞር በሉ ስራ ይዘናል እዚህ ጋር ስራ ይዘናል እኔ ደከመኝ
This is before the Megans and the Nicki Minaj.
Oh, Nicki Minaj, yeah, we know her.
The Nicki Minaj.
በቃ ዞር በይ አሁን እያደረገች እንደሆነ አላውቅም አንፈልግም
I gotta show y'all 112.
We actually don't know the songs from like the
Pretending like you know
we
it.
actually danced to that earlier, yeah. Oh, that's what we were dancing to. Remember? It was this song. So, yeah, we won't stop.
For getting excited and inviting us out.
Yes. Oh, we can party any day.
Literally, yes. I feel like if we listen to the song somewhere else now, we're gonna like dance to it. Yeah.
They like having my Bluetooth.
I swear I'm on that. So lit. This is my favorite one so far. Yes, you know all the words. Yeah.
Getting tired.
How much? 16 million? Oh wow. Oh yeah. They probably made back. Yes, let's open them like a bunny. That's such a million. Yeah, it's not money, but I'm running. But I'm gonna get a crap better. But I'm coming. Zorbe. 1001. Ciao, Shiva. I swear, ciao. But I'm not still yeah, the jackets and stuff. The vibe is like so nice. It was probably trending that time. Someone else doing someone who in the girl. I'm back. Ciao.